Alright team, welcome to a little segment I call All the Gear, No Idea with Haydo. My name is Haydo, of course, and today I want to give you guys a bit of a rundown, as you can see behind me, of the Rock Tamer mudguards. Now, this for us was a pretty definite purchase when we picked up our new caravan. If you've been following along our journey for a little while now, we've done 18 months in old camping trailer and a beaten up old second-hand caravan, so we weren't too paranoid and worried about what we were flicking up behind us on some of these remote beaten up tracks. But when we picked up our new off-road caravan, it was like our second child. Pride and joy, and I wanted to try and minimize the amount of damage and stuff I was hurling back towards it. Obviously, being off-road caravan, we wanted to go to the most remote off the beaten track destinations, and of course, as you do that, wear and tear increases, but we thought this would be an investment in time in relation to keeping the damage to the front of the A-frame, the chassis of the caravan down. Now, the Rock Tamer itself, there's two predominant options. Stone Stomper, a lot of people use, which is like the shade cloth between the tow vehicle and the caravan, and the other one is the Rock Tamer. Now, the Rock Tamer acts pretty much like an extra mudguard. So obviously your tow hitch or your tow bar here, your caravan's on the back, and these drop down below it, and the idea is essentially that they stop the rocks getting hurled from the back axle of your tow vehicle. Now, the install on these is, they come with all this. They don't come exactly how you see them now. There is a little bit of work involved with actually installing it and setting it up as you see it now. But we've had these for 18 months, 15-18 months, and look, am I super happy with them? Probably not. That's the bottom line. I'll start with it there. About 520 to about 550 bucks, obviously depending on where you buy them. Look, they do eliminate some of the rocks getting hurled back towards you, but I do not find them by any means super ultra effective. Now, I have never had other products, but for me, the reason I ended up with the Rock Tamer is that they were available in stock right now, and certainly they're not bad by no means, but if you're looking at purchasing these thinking they're going to eliminate all of the rocks you throw behind yourself, then I would definitely reconsider what it is you're buying these for. The other thing is they're actually quite heavy as well. Like it is quite a heavy ensemble, so keep that in mind as well if you are a little bit precarious on weight. Certainly it does a job to a certain extent, but for 550 bucks and the wait time is you can buy them off the shelf and have them today. That's ultimately the reason why we went down this line. Would I do it again? Probably not. That's the short answer. The Rock Tamer, as I said, eliminates some of the problems, some of your rocks you're throwing back, but certainly not a be all and end all solution. I guess there may not even be one. I will be and I'll tell you guys this, I've got no association with any company that I'm mentioning today, but I have heard there's another product called the Stone Stomper. That is originally what we wanted, but their lead times and wait times are so massive, so long. They were about 7 months when we were looking at purchasing one of them, so we end up with this as the alternative. So I do hear on the road talking to people, they do prefer the Stone Stomper. I'm yet to find out. I can't provide an honest comparison between the two, but for me, the Rock Tamer at the moment, it passes. But would I say I am a raving fan of the Rock Tamer? No, I wouldn't. Anyway, hopefully that helps you guys on your decision. There's the Rock Tamer for you. I'll put a link here where you can buy it, or I'll just put a photo of the price you can expect to pay. As I said, you can buy it from a heap of different sort of spots and locations. Hope that helps you guys. Happy traveling, and we'll see you next time.